Today in this video we're going to look at the underwater fishing light on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Green Blob Outdoors Underwater Fishing Lights. Transform your fishing experience with the ultimate underwater lighting solution. This high-powered, heavy-duty cylindrical light is designed to attract fish like never before, turning any fishing trip into a successful adventure. With an impressive 15,000 lumens of brightness, powered by 300 industrial high-power LED chips, this vibrant green glow is irresistible to fish, drawing them right to your spot. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this powerful light increases visibility and lures in baitfish, crappie, trout, and even bigger game fish. Built tough with a hardened polished finish and an IP68 waterproof rating, this light is designed to withstand harsh marine environments. Its durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the energy-efficient 80-watt power consumption keeps it running without a hitch. Plug it into any 110-volt power source, and you're set for hours of uninterrupted underwater illumination. Portable and easy to use, this fishing light is perfect for docks, boats, and nighttime fishing adventures. With a 4800K color temperature and a color rendering index of 60, it provides clear, natural-looking light underwater. Whether you're a casual angler or a seasoned pro, this light is your secret weapon for attracting more fish and making every trip a success. Get ready to upgrade your fishing game and reel in your best catch yet. Number 4. Lighting Sky 1300 Lumens LED Fishing Light. Get ready to attract more fish, prawns, and squid to your favorite fishing spot with an incredibly bright and efficient underwater light. Designed to make your fishing trips more successful, this powerful LED fishing light emits 1300 lumens of intense brightness, ensuring maximum visibility and attraction. Whether you're targeting squid, which are naturally drawn to green light, or looking to lure in krill and phytoplankton with blue LEDs, this versatile light has you covered. For an all-around glow that works for various species, the white LED option is perfect for general-purpose fishing. Built with a unique 5-sided design, this light provides a full 360-degree view, making sure no fish can miss its glow. With 180 SMD super bright LED lights and an ultra-low 14-watt power consumption, it runs up to 8 times longer than traditional halogen lights, allowing you to fish all night without worrying about draining your battery. Plus, with an incredible lifespan of 50,000 hours of continuous use, it's built to last for years of fishing adventures. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use, this light is a game-changer for night fishing. Just drop it in the water and watch as it illuminates your surroundings, creating the perfect underwater environment to attract your next big catch. Whether you're a weekend angler or a seasoned pro, this light will give you the advantage you need for a more exciting and productive fishing experience. Get ready to light up the water and reel in more fish than ever before. Number 3. Lost Cat Underwater Fishing Light. Take your fishing game to the next level with an ultra-bright and durable underwater light that attracts fish like never before. Designed for serious anglers, this powerful 18W fishing light features 72 high-intensity SMD LEDs, delivering an impressive 1296 lumens of brightness. With a full 360-degree beam, it creates a wide, glowing attraction zone, luring in snook, squid, crappie, bass, catfish, shrimp, flounder, and more. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, this light ensures more bites and a more successful trip. Built to last, this light is 100% IP68 waterproof and completely sealed with solid epoxy inside and out, ensuring zero leaks. Unlike other fishing lights that can rust or short-circuit over time, this one is made to withstand harsh environments, providing a reliable and safe fishing experience. The aluminum alloy frame is not only tough but also designed for rapid heat dissipation, keeping the temperature low and extending the LED lifespan to an incredible 50,000 hours. Versatile and easy to use, it comes with multiple mounting options. Use the top holes to attach a rope for guiding and positioning, or hang a lead weight from the bottom hole for stability in moving water. Plus, with convenient battery clips and an optional car charger adapter, you can power it up effortlessly wherever you are, on a dock, PA, pontoon, houseboat, or even in an ice fishing shelter. Strong, shatterproof, and built for performance, this light is a must-have for any night fishing enthusiast. Get ready to light up the water and reel in your next big catch. Number 2. Link Style Underwater Submersible Fishing Light. Get ready to transform your fishing experience with an ultra-bright underwater light that makes catching fish easier than ever. Designed for maximum attraction, this powerful fishing light is equipped with 120 high-intensity LEDs, delivering 1000 lumens of brightness with just 10.5 W of power. Its innovative 8-sided design provides full 360 degrees illumination, ensuring a wide, glowing area that draws in prawns, squid, shad, bass, trout, redfish, and more. Whether you're fishing in deep waters, using a small net, or setting up cage fishing, this light will quickly become your go-to tool for night fishing success. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, this light is fully IP68 waterproof and specially sealed to prevent fogging or water ingress. You can count on its reliable performance, even in demanding saltwater or freshwater environments. Unlike other bulky fishing lights, this one is lightweight, just 160G for the light and 220G for the wire, so there's no need for extra weights to keep it submerged. It stays in place effortlessly, making it easy to use without constant adjustments. Setting up is a breeze with the included 19.2-foot power cord and battery clip, allowing for a quick and hassle-free connection. Whether you're fishing from a boat, dock, or PA, this submersible light ensures that your fishing spot stays brightly illuminated, attracting marine life right to your bait. Perfect for anglers of all levels, this fishing light is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their night fishing success. Get ready to light up the water and reel in your best catch yet. Number 1. Gold Life 12-Volt Underwater Fishing Light. Get ready to revolutionize your fishing experience with an ultra-bright underwater light that illuminates the water like the sun. With an incredible 40,000 lumens of brightness and 400 W of power, this high-performance fishing light creates a full 360 degrees glow, attracting fish from all directions. Whether you're targeting bass, crappie, trout, perch, catfish, snapper, or squid, this powerful green light will bring them straight to your fishing spot by creating an irresistible underwater food chain. What makes this light truly unique is its upgraded foldable panel design, allowing you to adjust the light to any angle for maximum efficiency. Unlike traditional fishing lights, this innovative feature lets you direct light exactly where you need it, ensuring the best results in any fishing scenario. Whether you're fishing in a lake, river, or deep-sea environment, this light adapts to your needs for an enhanced experience.